All right, guys. So let's take a quick look at the files that Django created for us. These files were auto created by Django just to kickstart our project, and some files were created. So we have this folder that is called SwiftHub. It contains a number of files, and when I collapse it, we also see manage.py. And after I run the program, we are now also seeing db.sqlite. That is going to be our database we are going to be connected to. And we also have manage.py. So manage.py is actually a command line utility that lets us interact with our project. For example, we were able to run our project with python manage.py run server, and we were able to run our project. So that is what the manage.py actually does. And when I open this one, we also have settings, and the settings actually host all the configuration. So let me open the settings.py like this, and you're going to see that we have installed apps. These are the installed apps that comes with Django. And we are also going to be creating our custom apps. You're going to be adding all these ones to it. If you scroll down, you are also going to see the backend, how we are going to be connected to our template, the HTML. And we come down here and we are seeing SQLite 3. This SQLite is going to be our default database for the development and all that. So settings.py is going to help us customize our application the way we want it. And when you come down here, we also see URLs. These URLs actually maps our views that we're going to be creating, our custom views, the logic that we create to our URL, so that when you visit a specific URL, it's going to run the function or the custom view we have written. And we also have wsgi.py and asgi.py. These are for development deployment purposes. So we are not going to edit any of those things, but that is what they also do.